Hey, guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an app like YouTube. As we all know, YouTube is one of the most popular video sharing platforms in the world. So, if you're thinking of creating your own video sharing app, then this video is for you. Step 1. Plan your app. The first thing you need to do is plan your app. You need to decide what features you want to include in your app. For example, do you want users to be able to upload videos? Do you want users to be able to create profiles? Do you want to include a search function? Step 2. Choose your platform. Once you have a clear idea of what you want your app to do, you need to decide which platform you want to use. There are several platforms available, including iOS, Android, and Windows. You should choose a platform that is compatible with your app's features and functionality. Step 3. Develop your app. Once you have decided on your platform, it's time to develop your app. You will need to hire a team of developers to help you create your app. You will also need to decide on the programming language you want to use. Some popular programming languages for app development include Java, Swift, and Kotlin. Step 4. Design your app. The next step is to design your app. You will need to work with a team of designers to create a user-friendly and visually appealing app. You should also consider the layout of your app and how users will interact with it. Step 5. Test your app. Once your app is developed and designed, you will need to test it. You should test your app on different devices and platforms to ensure that it works properly. You should also ask users to test your app and provide feedback. Step 6. Launch your app. Once your app has been tested and is ready to go, it's time to launch it. You should create a marketing plan to promote your app and get users to download it. You should also continue to update and improve your app based on user feedback. Conclusion. Creating an app like YouTube is a big project, but it's also a great opportunity to showcase your creativity and technical skills. By following these steps, you can create an app that is user-friendly, visually appealing, and functional. So, go ahead and start creating your own video sharing app today.